What's up guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys enjoyed the dyno video and test day. Now it's time to just fit the car back together and get it off to wrap. We got a bunch of stuff to cut, fit, clearance, bolt, just everything. So from the flaring in the front to the back, the side skirts, the doors, everything. Now it's for the final touches, and then we're gonna get it wrapped, which I can't wait to reveal the wrap to you guys, because it's actually going to be really good. And then it's off to FD, hopefully by the time you see this. So enjoy. Right, it's starting to look like something, you know. So we just got to add a few more pieces in there. Yeah. As soon as we hit somebody, it's gonna fall out. And you know, you cannot not represent my people, you know. Trinidad and Tobago, you know. We're gonna put it in there. Why the red brighter? Oh, almost sound like it broke. You know, Chase had one off custom next door, you know, hit me up with the custom Trini grill, you know, so now it's starting to look like something. I can't wait till it's wrapped. We got a few more pieces in the back. We got, I think the back bumper has like little spat things, and then fix up the side skirt, and I think we're ready to wrap. You know, we on crunch time, so the boys pulled up to help. Donnie and Sean came down, you know, from LZMFG up there to come to help your boy. So Donnie's gonna do fire suppression. Donnie, look at that. You gotta look at that.
We got fire suppression.
Donnie's also gonna be my what are you gonna
mechanic.
be? Yeah, mechanic slash making sure my car got all the grip, and make sure, you know, tire pressure is good, and help yell at me to tell me go deeper in the zone, right?
I was gonna say, yeah.
Sean's gonna be the spotter, in case you guys didn't know.
Me and Sean have both done FD before.
Right, exactly.
So then we know how everything sort of rolls.
So once you see this going in, you know we're near the ending. Hey, can we ribbon at it?
Yeah.
Alright, we ribbon.
Yeah, we ribbed up the bit.
So yeah. I don't know what to say. We're gonna just finish it up. Let's try to finish it up. Hopefully by the end of tonight we have 91% completed car. And then we just missing wrap and a trailer. Put it in the trailer.
coffee. We have a fire suppression system. Other than the one to the fuel cell. But Lee will put that one in when he puts the lid on. He'll probably just bulkhead it to here, onto the face of it, just so that we can disconnect it whenever we need to access that or anything to pop it off. Make it easy. But be good.
All right, cool. So, you know, my boys came down. They helped me. We got a lot done. We end up knocking out the fire suppression system. We got the fuel tank breather and the cage over the fuel tank to keep it nice and safe. We got door handles on one side. I think I did. What we did? We did the emergency, the cutoff switch pull. We did. We flocked the top of the dash. We put that back in tomorrow, and I think that's it. I think that's all we got done. We should be like, I think we had that 91, 99 or 91%, whatever I said at the beginning of the video. We were right there, and hopefully we can go to wrap. It's probably not gonna end up going to wrap tomorrow, but we still have like at least 5 or 6 days where we can kind of figure out where the wrap is gonna happen. But I still have some fine little things I gotta do. So I don't know. We'll continue this tomorrow. Alright guys, so you're probably wondering why Chase is in here painting off the doors again. We weighed the car and it was a little close to the way we wanted it to be. So then we got some we got fiberglass doors from HDK at Drift HQ. So they rushed those over here for me, and Chase is gonna paint them so we can get in the car. So that's why we painted doors again. All right, so the car's all back together. New doors is on. Time for delivery. Took the car over to Florida Vehicle Wraps. We're leaving it with him, so we get a wrap. But you guys are gonna have to wait till I think the Wednesday before FD for us to reveal delivery. So we're gonna go back to the shop and move on to something else, and I'll show you guys the car later. We're gonna be fixing an RB25 trans for the comp car, so we can have a backup. We're proud to be partnered up with Speed Tech Racing from Australia that hooked us up with a gear set and all the parts to build that into a 1,000 horsepower dog box for the RB32 E92. So I told you guys already, but what I'm gonna do now is build one. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do it and why you should, if you have a drift car and you want to beat the living piss out of the transmission and not break. For less than dog box money, you get a dog box. All right, cool. So another clip. Another clip, or you still going?
I'm still going.
All right, cool. You're gonna edit all that out. So we have all the gears, all the dog rings. You got the billet center plate. Really need this if you're gonna be drifting and just, you know, banging through the gears. You also make a really nice billet shifter that you can put. It works on the, I think it works on the stock box too. So if you want to just, you know, flex and get a billet shifter, you can. We even got the billet forks, and of course, you know, we got a whole bearing kit and seal, brand new, because that box right there, not having it. And since we're running the bigger clutches, you got the 29 spline, I think this is 29 GM spline input shaft, because you only want to break an input shafts like my truck, and we got the counter shaft. Only thing we need from this over here, which is what we're gonna pull apart first, is gonna be fifth in reverse, because that is a 1 to 4 dog box set, and then you can just have fifth to cruise on the highway, you know, because the E92 really needs to cruise on the highway. So yeah, let's get to pulling it apart then. So this already doesn't have housings on it because I already built one and the housing. Just for a side note anyways, these gears that are shared here, this is Sean Booth doing, okay? Not me. I don't really be this bad on boxes, but it looked like he kept going after it broke, so he had no more input shaft. So let's get to it. I think I use this one here. Look at this thing. This is called the 10-ton draw 3000 from Harbor Freight, guys. Damn, look at that. Let me just put it right here. I think I'm gonna need 2 people for this. Where's Sean?
Getting food.
Sean for this. Since we're not reusing any of the bearings, just put a bunch of heat on it and it'll slide right off. But if you're gonna reuse your bearings, you'd have to get the proper puller. The puller I have is not pulling this one, and we can't use the 3-draw 3000 on here because it's too big. But if you heat this up enough, it'll just slide right off because it'll expand. Alright, so you know it was a little bit harder because this trans have been abused pretty bad, but we got the shaft out and we got the rest of the junk on the floor, under the hoist, everywhere. So now we can just clean up everything, inspect it, make sure that everything's good, and we can start assembling. If I remember how that goes. So we didn't do a full breakdown video on the build because we was kind of running out of time and it was getting really late. So we got it all finished up. Sean cleaned up the cases for me. It's all assembled. Speed Tech. Real happy to have him on board with us. It's done. We're gonna go put it back in the car as soon as we get the car back from wrap, and we're gonna go down the hill at Road Atlanta. Test the Speed Tech gears out. All right, cool. So just in time for Road Atlanta Pro Spec, NRG sent us our last care package. They sent us a steering wheel, some new seat belts, quick release, and some zero brackets so we can make sure, one, we're safe, two, we got a passenger seat in case you gotta do any ride-alongs, which you're probably not, so don't ask. And again, thanks NRG for last minute getting this package out to us so we can make it to FD and be safe. And with that being said, thank you guys for watching. I know the video's kind of been crazy, but it's worth it, I promise. So love you guys, keep watching, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in Road Atlanta. We might have one more before this.